In Be Smart, Pay Zero Taxes, Use the Buy, Borrow, Die strategy to get rich and stay rich, the author presents a compelling argument for a financial strategy that allows individuals to accumulate wealth while minimizing their tax liabilities. The premise revolves around three key actions: buying assets, borrowing against those assets, and ultimately passing on wealth through inheritance. This approach challenges conventional notions of wealth accumulation and tax obligations, presenting a framework that is both innovative and practical for those looking to secure their financial future. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of asset acquisition. It advocates for investing in appreciating assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. The rationale behind this is simple yet profound. As these assets grow in value, they create a foundation for wealth that can be leveraged in the future. The author argues that traditional savings accounts or low-yield investments are insufficient for building substantial wealth. Instead, individuals should focus on acquiring high-value assets that not only appreciate over time, but also generate income. Once assets are acquired, the next step in the strategy is to borrow against them. This might seem counterintuitive at first. Why would one want to incur debt? However, the author explains that borrowing against assets can be a strategic move, particularly when it comes to tax implications. The money borrowed is not considered taxable income, allowing individuals to access cash for investments, lifestyle expenses, or other ventures without triggering a tax event. This approach allows for greater liquidity and flexibility, enabling individuals to make strategic decisions without the immediate burden of taxes. The author provides various examples of successful individuals who have employed this strategy to fund their lifestyles and investments, illustrating how borrowing can be a tool for wealth expansion rather than a hindrance. The final component of the strategy, die, refers to the transfer of wealth through inheritance. The author discusses the concept of a step-up in basis, a tax provision that allows heirs to inherit assets at their current market value, rather than the original purchase price. This means that if an individual has held on to appreciating assets and then passes them on, the heirs can sell those assets without incurring capital gains taxes on the appreciation that occurred during the original owner's lifetime. This aspect of the strategy underscores the importance of long-term planning and the role of generational wealth in financial strategy. The author suggests that by employing the buy, borrow, die strategy, individuals can create a legacy that not only benefits their immediate family, but also contributes to long-term financial stability across generations. Throughout the book, the author addresses common misconceptions about taxes and wealth. Many people believe that paying taxes is an unavoidable part of financial success, but the author argues that with the right strategies, it is possible to minimize tax burdens legally. By understanding the intricacies of tax laws and leveraging them to one's advantage, individuals can keep more of their wealth and reinvest it for further growth. The book is filled with practical advice, actionable steps, and real-life examples that make the concepts accessible and relatable. One of the strengths of this narrative is its focus on mindset. The author encourages readers to adopt a wealth-building mentality, emphasizing that financial education and a proactive approach are crucial for success. This mindset shift is essential for anyone looking to implement the buy, borrow, die strategy effectively. The author challenges readers to think beyond traditional financial advice and to embrace innovative strategies that align with their personal financial goals. The book also delves into the psychological barriers that often prevent individuals from pursuing wealth. Fear of debt, the stigma surrounding borrowing, and a lack of understanding of tax laws can all hinder financial growth. The author addresses these concerns head-on, providing reassurance and guidance on how to navigate these challenges. By reframing the narrative around borrowing and taxes, the author empowers readers to take control of their financial destinies. In addition to the theoretical aspects of the strategy, the book offers practical tools and resources for implementation. Readers are provided with worksheets, checklists, and case studies that illustrate the buy, borrow, die strategy in action. These resources serve as a roadmap for individuals looking to adopt this approach in their own lives, making the process less daunting and more achievable. Moreover, the author emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in the realm of personal finance. The financial landscape is ever-changing, and staying informed about new tax laws, investment opportunities, and market trends is crucial for long-term success. The book encourages readers to seek out educational resources, network with other financially savvy individuals, and remain open to evolving their strategies as circumstances change. Ultimately, Be Smart, Pay Zero Taxes is not just a guide to tax avoidance. It is a comprehensive approach to wealth building that encourages readers to think strategically about their financial futures. By embracing the buy, borrow, die strategy, individuals can create a sustainable path to wealth that not only benefits themselves, but also their families for generations to come. The author's engaging writing style, combined with practical insights and a focus on mindset, makes this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their financial literacy and secure their financial legacy. The message is clear. With the right knowledge and strategies, it is possible to build wealth while minimizing tax liabilities, ultimately leading to a richer, more fulfilling life.